Hey troops, Captain Kirk here. Just finished another outstanding PT session. Our focus today is pressure creates winners. And pressure, funny thing, pressure either builds you up or pressure can tear you down if you let it. And pressure is that continuous physical exertion on something by something else. Pressure by its nature disrupt something, right? This physical exertion means it's in contact with something else, and that other thing feels its weight against it. It's like lifting a heavy boulder, right, above your head, lifting a heavy weight. It's that resistance. So how in life, when we say we want to be successful, we want to have continuous improvement, what does that mean? That means you're asking for pressure, because nothing gets created without pressure, right? Nothing gets built without pressure. And if we're saying we understand pressure comes along with it, then that means disruption comes along with it. And we don't like that part though. We want to win, we want the success without the pressure, without the disruption. But the fact of the matter is, there will be disruption. There will be disruption in your life, in your job, in your finances, in your business, and within you. Another word for it is discomfort. You're going to get it. You're going to receive it. You're going to feel it. It's going to show at times. You're going to have to learn to manage it. But without disruption, interference, irritability, you'll never have success. And some may think, well, maybe I don't want success as bad as I think I do. But the reality is also, you can't live in a vacuum, right? You're not just going to hide in the closet and there'll be no disruption. This thing is going to happen in our lives regardless. So my thought is, you might as well be successful, because you're going to deal with some level of disruption anyway. And yes, the more success, the more disruption. But what you don't want to miss is the only way to reach your goal is through it. And remember, reaching that goal will be that level of excitement, exuberance you'll never have experienced in your entire life. You have to press through to get it. So key is, with winning, with success, there's pressure. With pressure, there's disruption. But with there's disruption, there's building. And we know to get to that next level, there has to be obstacles. And real winners know you have to set obstacles for yourself. You have to set resistance against yourself. You have to learn how to overcome and deal with this disruption in your life. This is how we build. You can't lead without a mission. You can't build without a plan. But to do those things, you have to work through challenge. And you can do it. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to focus on discipline, right? Focus on eating clean. These are small disruptions, but that's fine. Start with those small disruptions that have a benefit. Eat clean. You may want to eat and drink whatever you so choose. And you know you can't do that if you're trying to get shredded, if you're trying to get fit. You can't do that. So start there. Make your bed in the morning. Do those affirmations in the morning. Reread those on a frequent basis. Understand and read about people who have been successful, who have pressed forward. These are the things you need to do. I need you to work out in the morning. I need you to physical train. I need you to do some working out every single morning if you can, but at the minimum, 5 days a week. I need you to get that in, because again, you've created an obstacle for yourself. You've created a disruption in your life, but you know that sort of disruption, that sort of resistance, that sort of interference in your life, you're going to gain something from it, something that you can see. But there's even greater the gain that you don't see, that mental and spiritual improvement that you gain by doing your workout. Gary Woodland said, you have to You have to paraphrase, and you have to embrace your stress and your discomfort, right? You have to not shy away from those things, because that is how you grow. That is how you build. We all know it. Those who walk that path of success, those who strive for more, we all know you're going to go through it. It's how you manage it. It's how you deal with it. And it's the understanding that you have along the way, along your path. And you know from it you'll grow. Remind yourself of what waits for you beyond that obstacle. It's Captain Kirk signing out. 1, 2, 3.